The nice thing about a vacation rental is anybody that stays here is going to be here short term. So if you can make it pop, keep it clean is the key. It's going to make all the difference. So when I was putting this together, one of the decisions I had to make was replacing the vanity. And the vanity that was in here was in pretty good shape, but it was a wood color. It just didn't fit, and it ended up to be the wrong size because we were adding a glass door. I'm going to give you a little tip here. You know, I always learn from my mistakes, which I wish I didn't have to learn from those, but it's going to benefit you. I put a vanity in one of our other properties that you will actually see that had an open shelf on the bottom. It looked really cool, but you know what? You need a place to put a wastebasket in a little bathroom. So my tip for you is, in a vacation rental, I would encourage you to always choose a vanity that has got a door for the wastebasket in storage along with the drawers. Here's another cost-saving tip. Initially, I got the bathroom vanity tops priced at the same place that we bought the quartz for the kitchen. And it was thousands of dollars to add the bathroom. So what I did is, we got this at Lowe's. I was able to choose a Calcutta cultured marble top for about $200. It saved me a ton of money, and again, vacation rental people are only in the property for a short period of time, and it looks great. Another question I get asked is, when designing a bathroom, should I do everything the same, meaning nickel light fixture, nickel mirror, nickel, everything, or should I mix it up? I tend to like to have a mixture. So I chose a nickel light fixture with the clear cylinders to bring as much light into the bathroom as possible. One thing about an older home is they don't have a lot of overhead lighting, and so you have to remember that when you're creating these spaces. And then I added the black oval mirror, which I got online at Amazon, and it just gives it a great look, along with the black towel holders, and then I stayed with the nickel faucets. Here's another tip for you. When you pick out a faucet, pay attention to how wide the space is for your cultured marble top, because the holes are pre-cut. And so in this case, you want to make sure you have one that will go wide for you.